We have seen that by this cell or by a bigger one we can grow light. Now actually circuit, when we draw a circuit, it looks like this. There is a bulb here. There are 2 points where I have connected this is a battery. This is 9-volt battery. There is a bulb and there are some resistances over here. This resistances looks like this, but you must be asking what is resistance. Resistance means electrons are flowing in the wire and there are lots of atoms, nucleus are there. So there will be always interaction between the electron and the atom. So that produces resistance to the current. So more we apply the voltage, I have talked about voltage, more current will flow. Here I am going to show that if you have a battery and a circuit like this, this is we take for verification of Ohm's law. But I am showing that if I just connect it to the to this point, this lamp will grow. This lamp will be growing. Again, I have a motor over here. This is actually, remember, this is really the I have used for magnetic needle, but for your just for your clarity, I am holding it here. First, let me connect the negative part with this. The battery negative is connected here, but as I told you, in case of motor or other things, the positive negative is important, but not for light. That we shall discuss. Now we are just touching it. See, the motor is rotating. So, rotating motor means our fan, our all the instrument, our washing machine, whatever you say, that is being used by a motor. So, when you apply the voltage to a motor, it rotates. So, there are different appliances, here are resistances, there can be a buzzer means which can produce sound. So, in a circuit all these things are, is attached to this board, but you will find in book there is a circuit and that circuit has represented, the battery is represented by 2 lines like that you can see in your book. Thank you.